Today we're going to go on site to see slab jacking performed at a home so that you can see exactly how it's done, if you may need it at your home, and a couple reasons why it's important for you to get slab jacking done. Today we're out here at a customer's home doing some slab jacking. So we're tackling a couple different problems at this home. Number one, it's just some sidewalks that presented some tripping hazards that can be dangerous to somebody walking around, walking down their sidewalk, causing a lip for you to trip and fall. So here's an example of one of those tripping hazards that can cause somebody to stumble, trip, and fall. And a lot of times these can especially be caused by downspouts like you see right here, where it's dumping right on the sidewalk. Over time, it just erodes the soil underneath of it, starts to wash in between these cracks and allow this sidewalk to settle and allow these tripping hazards to happen. The other one is on the back patio and making sure that we're keeping rainwater and moisture away from the home. And here's an example of the patio settling itself. So these things seem to settle slowly over time. So one of the things that you can look for when you're looking at your home to say, is my back patio settling, is number one, laying a level out on the concrete, see if it's sloping back towards the house. The other is you can very faintly see an old concrete line here about 1.5 inches up of where that concrete was originally poured, and you can see how slowly over time it's settled down. Well, if this gets the negative grade, this is actually going to hold water back against your house, which can get into your crawl space, can get into your basement, and even cause foundation damage over time. So it's really important to keep an eye on these kind of things. So the process of this is first our crews are going to come in, they're going to drill the holes. So where that they feel that we need to inject the polyurethane foam, and then they're going to come through and start pumping the polyurethane underneath the slab and slowly raising it, going back and forth between the holes. Finally, they're going to pull out those ports and make sure that all those holes are nice and patched and seal up any cracks as well. If you have more questions about slab jacking, the process of slab jacking, or maybe even when is the right time to slab jack, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Thank you so much for watching.